We're back on the ZA. Weapon. Yeah.
You're an idiot.
Oh, had to do a bit of reason. Oh, light lens is broken. I know nothing about these. Oh, I need a quarter glass too. Just trying to free up some wheels here. Rust off. Yeah, just freeing up some wheels and then try to put this steering back together. Let's see if I can get it off these 44s. Bought a set of rims, oh, the old tyres. Hoping they go on. I'll check now. Off the XG. So we'll see how we go. We're just trying to get this steering arm. I think I found the right one. Power steering. Just trying to get some bolts and stuff in it. As I said, it smacked me fair in the forehead. I'm glad it's on these 44s. I was just looking, there's a bit of rust under here, but everything's repairable. Ooh, look at that bonnet. Yuck. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get this steering, just trying to sort it out. We'll go from there. Yeah. Right, that steering link's just couple of zippy ties just to hold him up. I'll try and wire this exhaust up and chuck some wheels on. Oh! Loaded! Yeah! We got it. Get them unloaded under here and see what I can do. Cool. A beast. I was just having a walk around it and looking underneath and stuff, and I noticed, oh, I haven't got my torch, but hang on, I'll give you a torch. So I was just looking in here and looking at the spring hangers and neat setup, but I'll see if I can zoom in on it. It's not going to focus. It's going to be a pain in the ass. But in there is a set of Monroe shock absorbers. Come on, zoom. There we go. Set of Monroes, and look at that little line coming out of there. So I just had a little look. Oh, zoom back out. There's our line running out, and then they cross over here. And look, yeah, hang on, right there. Yeah, we've got some air ride, baby. Fair dinkum. Let's put some air in it. See if she lifts. Right, we'll see if she lifts. I'm going to put some air in these. Oh! Man, because they work. Oh! How's that? No way. Unreal. They hold in. for me to have fun with it, they hold air. How's that? There for 20 years. Man, they don't make them like they used to, eh? Like, you got a couple of dings in it, but the plan is to keep this patina. Oh God! The plan is to keep. How good this side looks. Beautiful. How good does that look? And I've got a couple of ideas for it, and I've got a name for it. Like she's had a couple of little. She's had a couple of little dings, but I'm not overly concerned about it because I'm going to leave it like this and clear coat it. I reckon it should be beast. Yeah, 20 years he reckons it's sat for. And I really don't know too much about them. I know they come out with the 289. Some of them got specced out if you want the option of the Mustang specced engine. But the question is, hang on, I'll ask the question in a minute. You can decide, but I've pretty much made my mind up what I'm going to do with it. Let's do it again. Just close up. Yeah, drop it on its belly. Unreal. There you go. I am surprised. Yummy! Oh, look out! She's been HQ'd at some stage. I got one of them to put in me XG. You wouldn't know what you're going to find in here. Oh my God. Like sitting out here for 20 years, and like just even look at these door trims, but like they're still. Oh, let me zoom out. They're still half Mickey Mouse. Ashtray. Like doors even. This one's got she hits just there. Yeah, well, they're going to crack. They're not overly nice. Ford. Are they original? I can't get over that airbag. Oh, God. She's off. Going to be sitting here. This is its new home for a bit. What do you think, dear?
You're an idiot.
You'd love it.
Money at fucking scrap metal.
No. Yeah, guard off. I'm trying to straighten this door. It looks straight, but it ain't. I don't know if it's from sitting on those 44s or not, but shit ain't. Yeah, done after a front door. Get a bit. There's a crease there. I don't know if it's from that. Yeah, like I said, it's 44. But anyway, just checking out a bit of rust repair. It's pretty bloody good, eh? Like that's pretty easy to plate that. Just having a look, see. Guards off. There's a little tiny dent there, but not overly bothered. The 289. I left it there. There's got to be some haters. I don't care because in there is going to be a Barra, and I've got a bit of a theme happening. As you know, the General Lee, the American General Lee. I'm going to try doing an Australian version of the General Lee. This thing's covered in Southern Crosses originally, the old ZAs. Badge here used to have a set of Southern Cross. there was, if you look in here, I don't know too much about these things, but I'm learning. Look there, Southern Crosses, straight in between your oil and your alternator. And another one over there between your temp and fuel, Southern Cross. And there was also one on the rear here, there was Southern Crosses. So, my plan will be, I'm leaving it patinaed on the roof. We're going to go the Eureka flag. Eureka flag on the roof. We'll call it Ned. Not the general use, it'll be Ned. Eureka flag, and then have, I don't know if I put Ned and put a Such Is Life. What do you reckon? Thought he looked pretty bloody neat. This side's be better for I need to replicate this side on the other side. She's nicely patinaed here. Clear coat that. Beautiful. Obviously need a quarter glass. I'm gonna have to try suss out some parts for her. The old dash has seen better days. I know you can still buy a lot of things through Rare Spares, like kick panels. The seats have had it. Oh, look at that, a dial. Don't lose me dial. Anything in my ashtray? Oh, another one. Yeah, I've got some work to be done. Surprisingly, very little rust, and this side's the good side, so we'll try realign a couple things. There's a couple. This guard, it's been pushed back. She's been pushed back here at some stage, so this guard will come off, and I'll give it a little whacking. Yeah, she's had a bit of a nudge there at some stage. But we've got everything there. So Barra going in it. I didn't want the 289. Barra, don't care what you say, that's what's going on. It won't happen anytime soon. Put a few bits away. Because I've still got to get the XG done, so I'm blabbering on now. Boo! Yeah, we've got her here. Right, leave some comments on what you think of the Barra being in it, and Ned. We've called it Ned. Right, I'm going inside to need lunch.